Yan here, potentials.com, signing at Archel. So, share po natin sa inyo ang ating book sale haul. Saan bang book sale ito? Check natin. Ayan, madadami na naman tayong books that you can read. Ayan. Mahilig din si Teen and si Cathy ng books. Saan ba natin ito? Anong book sale? Is this book sale? Lucena. So, book sale Lucena. Galing tayo sa South area. I only have a minute. Feeling the way. Road long. This is ₱95. And introducing mental health to practical case. So we'll give it to a friend. Shoebox mat. Bakit tayo meron? Oh, we're supposed to give it to Alonso. Sayang. We're supposed to give it to Alonso. Next time, Alonso, you can give me this for your math skills. Yeah. Then creativity sprint, 10-day challenge workbook, living a longer, healthier life. So yun, this is from book sale SM Lucena. Yan ang ating haul from book sale Lucena. So ayan, madami po. Ayan. Stay safe everyone. God bless you all. Thank you for watching. See you in our next video.